Hey folks, in this video I'm going to show you how to make hundreds of free logo designs and variations in under 5 minutes. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is type in our business names, and supposedly the AI will make us a logo. It's probably just marketing horseshit, but let's try it out. So we're just going to go with Bob's Coffee Shop as our business name. Alright, copy that. And go to these other ones, paste that in there. For brand mark, you need to open it in a new tab to get to the app, but it's just the same thing. Put in your business name, click over. Some of them you just need the business name. I think brand mark and logo master, you can specify some more information. So for this, we'd just be a normal business, and then you get to select some samples for so whatever logo, the styling, it'll kind of then give you a bunch of different logos based on the styling options you choose. So we'll just pick some random ones and then click next, and then you can pick a color, and if you have a slogan you can also do that, and then you can just select some generic styles you'd like for your logo. So we're going to go back over here. So for a coffee shop, it'd be coffee, cafe, and then we click next, click a picture, or pick the color for your logo. And for this one, you just have to give it a name and it'll pop some stuff off. But if you want to get more detail for your logo, you can go into here and choose some symbols. So again, you'd do something like coffee and click enter, and it'll give you all these that you can and then it'll generate, based on that additional information you gave it, it'll generate some more logos. So now once you have these, your option is you can purchase them from these different websites, whichever one gives you a logo you like the most. I think it's about 20 for a beginner, and if you want more variations, it can go up to like $70. But if you don't want to pay, what you can do instead is you can use these as just kind of like inspiration for your logo, and then you can go and make it for free using some different tools. So if you go to a website called Canva and you sign up and log in, they have, like you can see right here, they have a set template for logos. And then if they don't have the icon you want, say you like, if we go over here and you see you like this icon, you can go to a website called the Noun Project, and I have links for all these in the description. But the Noun Project is a website with like millions of free icons, and then you can type in whatever your keyword is. You can come in here and find these different icons. You can download them and bring them into Canva. And another website for icons is called Font Awesome. So I have links to all this in the description. So probably the smartest thing if you want to save some money is going to be use these tools for free to give yourself some ideas. And then once you've done that, you're going to want to go over to Canva, sign up for free, and then you can bring in these icons from Font Awesome and basically recreate what these guys made for you for free.